Did you know a queen once turned her own attendant into a throne just to win a negotiation? In 1622, Queen Nzinga of Ndongo traveled to meet the Portuguese governor to negotiate for her people's freedom. When she arrived, there was no chair for her. It was intentional. A power move designed to make her feel small, to remind her she was beneath him. She didn't flinch. She gestured to one of her attendants, who knelt on all fours. She sat on their back and conducted the entire meeting as an equal. The governor had tried to set the terms. She rewrote them before he could finish his sentence. That moment was just the beginning. For the next 40 years, Nzinga fought the Portuguese at every turn. She allied with the Dutch. She led armies into battle. She outthought, outmaneuvered, and outlasted every enemy who came for her kingdom. She was still fighting at 70, still unconquered at 82. No one ever got to define the terms for Nzinga, not once.